Welcome to the world of creative art, where creativity knows no bounds and beauty is chiseled into existence. Amazing creative art and craft ideas to decorate your home. Creative World Design. Introduction to Home Decor with Creative Art and Craft. Home Decor with Creative Art and Craft transforms a living space into a personalized sanctuary. It involves the use of artistic ideas, materials, and techniques to create items that add warmth, texture, and personality to one's home. From decorative wall hangings to handmade furniture, and from upcycled accents to fragrant candles, the realms of home decor and crafting offer endless possibilities for those looking to infuse their abode with uniqueness and charm. Engaging in this creative process not only enhances the aesthetics of a home but also provides a fulfilling outlet for self-expression and skill development. The joy of personalizing your space with creative art and craft. Transforming a house into a home is a creative journey that becomes even more special with the addition of personal touches. Through the medium of DIY art, individuals can infuse their living spaces with unique expressions of personality and style. Such projects may range from hand-painted canvas pieces to intricately designed paper crafts, offering a gratifying sense of achievement upon completion. DIY art enables one to experiment with colors, textures, and materials, tailoring each piece to precisely match the existing decor or to serve as a statement feature within a room. The process of creating art by oneself can also be a therapeutic and enjoyable activity that encourages mindfulness and provides a break from the digital world. Personalized DIY art pieces are not only budget-friendly but they also allow for an unmatched level of customization, ensuring that no two homes look exactly alike. Mosaic Magic. Crafting colorful walls with creative art and craft. Mosaic art offers a timeless aesthetic that can transform any wall into a vibrant focal point. One begins by selecting a sturdy backing, such as a wooden board or thick canvas. Then, one sources various materials like colored glass, beads, broken ceramics, or stones. Each piece is meticulously arranged to create a pre-envisioned pattern. Using a strong adhesive, the artist affixes the tiles to the backing, ensuring each piece is securely in place. Grout is then applied, filling the spaces in between and unifying the mosaic. After drying, the mosaic is ready to add splendor to one's home decor. Reclaimed Wood Wonders. Creating rustic chic decor. Reclaimed wood breathes new life into home decor, adding warmth and character to any space. Its weathered textures and earthy tones craft an inviting rustic chic ambience. Here's how to incorporate reclaimed wood wonders into your decor. Accent walls. Transform a room with a reclaimed wood accent wall, providing a stunning backdrop that captivates attention. Furniture. Opt for handcrafted tables, chairs, or bookshelves made from reclaimed timber for a unique, eco-friendly statement. Art pieces. Create or purchase wall art fashioned from old wood, such as painted barn door scenes or abstract assemblages. Shelving. Install floating shelves of reclaimed wood to display books, plants, or trinkets with a touch of pastoral charm. Mirror frames. Surround a mirror with reclaimed wood to form a striking piece that pairs the old with the reflective new. See also how to make your cozy minimalist living room look amazing. Indulge in these creative endeavors to infuse your home with a sense of history and bespoke beauty. Personalized canvas art. A splash of your personality. Personalized canvas art infuses spaces with individual characters. This approach allows homeowners to transfer their interests, memories, or dreams onto canvas. To start, individuals may select a theme that resonates with their personality, anything from favorite landscapes to cherished family photos or even hand-painted abstract designs. Utilizing online platforms that turn digital images into canvas prints is an accessible option, ensuring that the resulting artwork is uniquely tailored. Furthermore, local artists can be commissioned to create custom pieces that tell a personal story, imbuing the home with a distinctly intimate atmosphere. Through personalized canvas art, every wall becomes a deeply personal expression of self. Customized throw pillows. Stitching comfort with style. Customized throw pillows offer a blend of comfort and personal flair to one's living space. They can be tailored to feature various fabrics, such as velvet for luxury or canvas for durability. To create a personalized touch, craft enthusiasts can embroider initials or stitch on patchwork designs reflecting one's hobbies or favorite colors. For those keen on texture, adding pom-poms, tassels, or lace can enhance the pillow's appeal. These small but significant customizations not only serve as cozy accessories but also as expressions of individuality within the home. Upcycled glass bottle decor, eco-friendly elegance. Transforming discarded glass bottles into home decor not only benefits the environment but also adds a unique charm to interiors. Here are creative ideas: vases and planters. Clean bottles can serve as single-stem vases or be modified to hold a variety of plants. Candle holders. Cut or decorate bottles to create beautiful candle holders that cast a warm glow. Lighting fixtures. With the proper fixtures, bottles become stunning pendant lights or chandeliers. Serving trays. Flatten bottles to create one-of-a-kind serving trays perfect for entertaining guests. Decorative pieces. Use paint, twine, and other materials to adorn bottles, crafting exceptional pieces that complement any design aesthetic. These DIY projects encourage sustainability while showcasing creative flair in home decoration. Handmade pottery. Bringing earth and charms into your home. Handmade pottery encapsulates traditional craftsmanship and the earth's natural beauty. Each piece, shaped and glazed by skilled artisans, carries a unique story to your living space. Incorporate these timeless creations in a variety of ways. Centerpieces for dining tables. Plant holders to add greenery with a personal touch. Kitchenware for a rustic dining experience. Decorative vases to enhance room aesthetics. Beyond their practical uses, pottery items act as conversation starters, reflecting a taste for the artisanal and an appreciation for the tactile richness of clay. They infuse homes with warmth, grounding inhabitants with their organic textures and forms. Nature-inspired creations, incorporating organic elements. In the realm of art and craft, bringing the outdoors inside can create a harmonious blend of comfort and natural beauty. Consider the following ideas to infuse your living space with a touch of the earth's essence. Driftwood centerpiece. Collect driftwood from your local beach and assemble it into a rustic, yet elegant centerpiece for your dining table. Pressed flower art. Gather flowers, press them, and arrange them in frames for a delicate wall display. Stone coasters. Adorn your coffee table with coasters crafted from smooth river stones, providing both functionality and earthy charm. Plant terrariums. Create miniature ecosystems inside glass containers for a refreshing green accent in any room. Leaf-shaped ceramics. Mold clay into leaf shapes, bake them, and paint them to serve as trinket dishes or decorative wall hangings. These nature-inspired creations offer a serene and grounded feeling, perfect for enhancing the aesthetic of your home environment. The art of lighting. Crafting unique lamps and lanterns. Crafting lamps and lanterns add a cozy ambience to any space. Begin with choosing a base. Repurpose items like mason jars or old wine bottles to promote sustainability. Then, select the type of lighting. LEDs offer energy efficiency, while Edison bulbs provide a warm, vintage glow. Experiment with different materials for shades, such as rice paper for a soft diffused light or copper mesh for an industrial aesthetic. Incorporate unique elements like beads, or stained glass for a splash of color and personality. Safety is paramount, so ensure all electrical components comply with standards. These luminous creations can serve as focal points in a room or provide subtle mood lighting. Stenciled artwork, a simple guide to sophisticated designs. Stenciled artwork provides a blend of simplicity and elegance to any room. Even those with minimal artistic skill can create stunning patterns or images using stencils. Follow these steps. Select a design and purchase or craft a stencil. Choose your surface, walls, canvases, and furniture work well. Secure the stencil with painter's tape to avoid slipping. Dab acrylic or stencil paint with a sponge or brush onto the openings. Remove the stencil carefully to reveal a crisp design. Repeat for patterns or larger designs. Consider layering stencils for intricate results. Stenciling can transform mundane objects into personalized masterpieces with ease. Crafting with fun projects for family time. Engaging in arts and crafts can be a delightful way for families to spend quality time together. Crafting with kids allows for creative expression and the development of fine motor skills. Here are some fun projects to try. Nature collage canvas. Collect leaves, twigs, and flowers to create a collage on a canvas, teaching kids about natural textures and colors. Homemade Play-Doh creations. Mix flour, salt, water, and food coloring to make Play-Doh. Sculpting can be a sensory and imaginative activity. Recycled bottle wind chimes. Decorate and repurpose plastic bottles into colorful wind chimes, introducing children to recycling and sound exploration. Personalized handprint art. Use non-toxic paint for handprints on paper or canvas, creating a cherished keepsake that captures their growth. Castle building with cardboard boxes. Transform boxes into a castle, promoting problem-solving skills and storytelling through play. See also DIY home decor, easy and affordable ideas to beautify your space. These projects not only foster a sense of accomplishment but also help families make memorable moments together. Tips and tricks for successful DIY art and craft projects. Plan beforehand, sketch or write down ideas. Gather all materials to ensure a smooth workflow. Test techniques. Practice new methods on scraps before applying to the final piece. Quality matters. Invest in good quality materials for better results and longevity. Patience is key. Take your time with each step, especially when waiting for paint or glue to dry. Stay organized. Keep your workspace tidy to avoid losing items and to make the process more enjoyable. Recycle and reuse. Incorporate everyday items to add uniqueness and reduce costs. Document progress. Take photos or notes to remember techniques and track improvement. Safety first. Use protective gear when necessary and work in a ventilated area. Personalize. Tailor projects to your taste for a more personal touch in your home decor. Have fun. Remember, DIY crafts are about creativity and enjoyment, not just the end product. Conclusion. Unleashing your inner artist to enhance your home. Embracing creativity enriches home environments, offering personalized flair. These art and craft ideas spark innovation, encouraging individuals to express their unique aesthetic. Whether it's through repurposed materials, DIY wall art, handmade decor, or imaginative storage solutions, each crafted piece contributes to a home story. Unleash your inner artist by integrating these projects. They not only enhance living spaces but also reflect the rich tapestry of personal experiences and tastes. The journey of crafting for one's habitat is as rewarding as the enchanting ambience it creates. What are some good crafting ideas? Creative arts and crafts refer to any form of artistic expression that involves creating tangible objects using a variety of materials and techniques. This can include everything from painting and drawing to sewing, knitting, and sculpting. It also encompasses activities such as scrapbooking, paper crafting, and jewelry making. What creative arts are there? Some good crafting ideas can include making homemade cards, creating floral arrangements, making your own candles or soap, and upcycling old clothing or furniture. Other popular options include creating your own wall art or decoration, making your own jewelry, or even experimenting with new baking or cooking recipes. What can I make with arts and crafts? There are countless creative arts that one can explore, including music, theater, dance, film, and photography. Each of these disciplines involves using unique methods of expression and requires specialized skills and techniques. What are creative arts and crafts? With arts and crafts, you can make just about anything your imagination can dream up. Some popular items include DIY home decor, personalized gifts, jewelry, and clothing items. The possibilities are truly endless. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide on how to make creative art decoration. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and inspiring. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative art related content. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!